mister, a little help?
Sure thing, guys. My bad.
You're a monster.
From the director of Wild Hogs.
I really don't know where to start, Dan.
Daddy!
I have kids.
Twins.
We can do this.
We? My kids are in there.
Sorry, the zoo closes at 3.
We're in the gorilla enclosure.
Old Dogs, rated PG.
I'm all out of love, so lost without you.